Alex Hormozi's new content strategy will shock you. In this video, I want to go through exactly what Alex Hormozi is doing to literally blow up on YouTube and taking over the YouTube game, because he's made some mistakes. Like everyone in life, everyone makes mistakes, but he has found out about those mistakes and improved on them and has a new strategy for it. And I want to go through exactly what you can do as an online coach to implement this strategy as well, and to get more clients through YouTube, because YouTube is the best platform 100% hands down to get clients. It builds up the most amount of trust. They're seeing you for a longer period of time. The 7-hour rule comes into play, and I'll speak about that later, but it's just amazing. So I just want to go through it. Okay, so this guy went from speaking about gym, so Alex Hormozi went from speaking about gym, desserts and dating to changing his complete strategy. Okay, so I don't know if you've seen Alex Hormozi's videos, like when he first started his journey, or content journey as you can call it. He was doing just business content about gym, and that's why everyone loved him so much. He was giving away so much free game, so much value, it was insane. Okay, and what happened is, as he got bigger, he found out about going viral, and he started trying to go viral. Little did he know it's not actually the best thing he could have done. Okay, so going viral isn't the best thing you can do at all, and he found out about that. So he realized posting niche content is way better than being broad. He was going viral. Okay, he was going viral. He was talking about gym. He was talking about desserts and dating, everything like that with Leela Hormozi. When he changed his strategy back to just business-based content and niche content, speaking directly to his ideal client, he started to get comments saying, "I'm watching your content again now." So people who fell in love with his content at the start of his journey, like the gym, the business videos at the start, the gym business fitness videos at the start, they came back to watch him after he stopped doing the gym, the dessert, the dating advice content, and he started focusing more on the business content again. And this just shows you how important it is to understand your niche and understand who you're speaking to and why you should create niche content. So people were not watching his content because he was speaking about shit which wasn't aligned with his audience that he had already. Okay, so as I said, he got most of his audience through the gym videos, the gym business videos, okay? And then he went on to speak about just gym, he went on to speak about desserts, he went on to speak about dating, and he stopped just business content, okay? And that's where he went wrong, and he realized that and made a mistake and learned from it, okay? So a huge percentage of his audience followed him for just his business content. I know for a fact I did. And when he started to post more of that again, they started to watch his content again. So more of his viewers came back because he's doing more videos about just business instead of like desserts. And he made a video about the best thing to eat for protein. Bro, you're a business guy, speak about that, okay? And that's what he went back to doing. And of course, it's all good to implement your lifestyle into your content. I'm not against that at all. I actually think you should implement sometimes your lifestyle within your content, your personal life, everything like that. But if you're just trying to do it to get more clients, you shouldn't be just being broad all the time. You shouldn't be doing that, okay? And what he does now is just post more raw and authentic videos, and these are longer form videos, by the way, because over edited videos are just not doing well, okay? So over edited, the fluff videos, they're not doing well anymore. Okay, raw and authentic videos are winning right now, and when you see a trend, you need to capitalize on it, okay? So look at this, an hour and a half, and it's got 200k views. Do you know how insane that is? I saw one of his videos the other day, an hour and 30 minutes, 800,000 views, and we say people's attention spans are finished. Bro, an hour and a half, that's a long YouTube video to get that amount of views, okay? That's insane. So he's doing more raw and authentic videos, speaking directly to his ideal client, okay, and longer videos. And that's exactly what you, as an online coach, need to realize, okay? And you need to do this too, okay? So people don't care about the edits within the video. They care about what you can do for them, how you can help them get from point A to point B. And what a lot of people miss out on is that, yes, also, I just want to touch on, Alex Hormozi says all the time, give away everything for free. But if you actually watch his content, he himself doesn't give everything away for free. He doesn't give away his scripts, he doesn't give away his SOPs, he doesn't give away everything. He gives insights into it. So he doesn't actually give away everything for free, he gives insights. And that's what you need to do, okay? You need to give insights, as much insights as possible, okay? And the whole goal of your content should be to get your ideal client a small win with your free content. Then that will build up trust and position you as an authority. And when you're positioned as an authority, people listen to you, okay? They actually listen to you, and they want to listen to you, and they want to learn, and they actually take action on the free advice you actually give, and they get that small win. Then they come back to you and like, damn, okay, you got me this small win, how much is your paycheck? Okay, that's what happens when you get someone a small win. You're going to get paid, okay, eventually, okay? And so that's what you need to realize. You need to realize, as an online coach, if you want to get more clients without sending cold messages, without having to spam cold messages all the time, and by having a personal brand, you need to post more raw and authentic. You need to post longer videos, speaking directly to your ideal client, niche-based content, and also giving insights rather than a load of value. Of course, give away a lot of value, but make it insightful instead of just like pure giving away scripts and everything like that. And again, more long form Alex Hormozi is posting. So if you're just posting short form content right now, that's probably the reason why you aren't attracting clients through your personal brand, okay? That's probably the main reason, okay? You're just posting short form content, you're posting 30 to 60 second clips, and you expect someone to convert into a paying client. How's that even work, okay? I don't know if you've heard of it, but it's something called the 7-hour rule. And the 7-hour rule states that it takes approximately 7 hours from a prospect to turn a prospect into a paying client. So people need to watch your content for at least 7 hours before they convert into a paying client. If you work out the numbers behind that, if they were to build up that 7 hours worth of trust through short form clips, that's going to take 420 videos. It's insane, 420 videos. So that's a year and a half worth of content just to convert one prospect into a paying client. So you can't just post short form content and expect people to convert into paying clients. You need to build up trust with those people to convert them into cash. And YouTube does this easier and quicker, okay? Because they're seeing you for a longer period of time. It's 20-minute long videos. It takes 21 20-minute videos to build up that 7 hours worth of trust. Okay, and that's exactly what Alex Hormozi does. He literally does the same thing as I'm speaking about. He uses short form to get attention, then leads everyone over to YouTube. YouTube is the main trust builder, and it needs to be implemented, okay? Still post short form, but lead everyone to longer form. That's all you need to do. Like, just post short form content, then lead everyone over to longer form. It's really as simple as that. You can literally have in your bio a YouTube channel. Really simple. So if you're running ads to your short form content to then get nurtured, then there's another stage in your funnel now, which is YouTube, to build up that 7 hours worth of trust and convert into a paying client. So 100% you need YouTube, and that's exactly what Alex Hormozi is doing. He's changed his strategy up. He's not posting like just random pieces of content. He's posting niche content. He's speaking directly to who he's trying to reach. And that's the most important part. When you speak directly to who you're trying to reach, you're going to reach them. I feel like a lot of people doubt YouTube, so they don't just post, they don't even post YouTube content. And that's a really big mistake. Like, it builds up so much trust. Like right now, you're seeing me for, I think it's been 10, 20 minutes maybe. Yeah, 11 minutes you've seen me for. Okay, so this is going to build up so much more trust, because you're seeing me for a longer period of time. You may have seen me from my short form content, but you've moved over to my longer form content and built up trust. So that's literally Alex Hormozi's strategy. He posts more raw and authentic videos, more valuable videos, but giving insights, and also just more niche content, so speaking directly to his ideal client instead of being broad and trying to reach everyone. So that's exactly what you should do as an online coach. Post short form content, still speaking directly to your ideal client just to get attention. Lead everyone over to longer form content, okay, to build up trust and convert everyone through that, okay? Just booking calls. More raw and authentic content and everything like that, okay? So I hope you got some value from this video, and yeah, check out the 2 links in the description. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that, and peace.